Today we're gonna be working on a '99 Toyota 4Runner. We're just changing a double din radio. Nothing fancy today. Just a regular JVC KW R920 BTS. Just straightforward Bluetooth, Sirius, Pandora. Nothing fancy. And I'm gonna be showing you guys what is needed. You need to have a heat gun. We're gonna use the Metro 70-1761 harness. You could get it at Best Buy from 87 and up for Toyotas. Just the harness that it comes with, shrinks, remote control, hardware, microphone, and then just the tools that we need: crimpers, strippers, and Phillips, and then just the wiring diagram. So I'm gonna be taking you guys through the install. I've already stripped down some of the trim, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to take out the old radio and put in the new one. Here she is, my friend's '99 Toyota 4Runner. Pretty clean. And let's go inside, see what we're working with. So this is the old radio. It's not working. I changed the antenna a few months ago, and then I couldn't do the radio for scheduling. She didn't have time, I didn't have time, and then now finally changing the radio. So basically we just have 4 nuts, screws. She's loose, and then with a little bit of play, just come. Take the main harness out from the back. Sometimes they're pretty tight, so you gotta play with it. just improvise. We got one. This one brings two. There we go. And that's it. Old radio's out, new one's coming back in, just a few.